Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a quick and simple way to understand how Hostinger works, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Hostinger in just 5 minutes, step by step, with a focus on one of the most common tasks, transferring a domain between Hostinger accounts. By the end, you'll know how to manage this smoothly without any confusion. Let's dive in. First, head over to Hostinger's website. Click on the Login button and enter your account details. This will bring you to the main Hostinger dashboard, which is the control center for all your hosting, domains, and websites. Now, to transfer a domain, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Domains. This section is where all the domains linked to your account are managed. Next, go to the Transfers tab. Here, you'll see options to move domains either into your account or out to another Hostinger account. Select the transfer option that matches your goal. From here, identify the specific domain you want to transfer. Double check this part carefully. You don't want to start moving the wrong domain. Once you're sure, click on the option to initiate transfer. Hostinger will now guide you through a few confirmation prompts. Follow them step by step. It's usually as simple as verifying ownership, confirming the recipient account, and approving the transfer. And here's a pro tip. Always make sure the receiving account is ready to accept the domain before you start. This prevents downtime or errors. Also, remember that domain transfers take time. It won't be instant. Keep an eye on your dashboard to track the status until it's marked complete. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Hostinger to transfer a domain in only a few minutes. Once you're comfortable with this process, you'll find managing hosting, websites, and emails inside Hostinger is just as straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you want me to cover other Hostinger features in detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.